we need to let me complete that one thing. And we have the what is the concept today, and we are explaining about the aggregate function. What is aggregate functions means it will perform the calculations on multiple rows. Are you getting my point? ఏం చేస్తుందంటే మల్టిపుల్ రోస్ని క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ చేయడానికి ఈ అగ్రిగేట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అనేది వాడతాం. వాట్ ఈస్ అగ్రిగేట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ అంటే నార్మల్గా what is aggregate functions means normally count, sum, average, min, max, group concatenation. In this group concatenation we will use in a MySQL. In SSM we won't be use this one. Okay, so we have only the 5 aggregate functions that will be count, sum, average, min, max. That's it. Okay, I'll tell you the small example on this. This is aggregate functions. What is aggregate functions? Our topic is today. Okay, that will be SQL aggregate functions are used to perform calculations on multiple rows of a table. That will be returns column and returns a single value. Okay, it returns a single value. So how many types of, here our next question is how many types of aggregate functions. Okay, how many types of aggregate functions? So we have 5 types of aggregate functions. Okay, are you getting my point, guys? Please respond. First one, count. So the function symbol will be like this. Okay, this will be count and it will returns the number of rows. Okay, it will returns the number of rows. And next, sum. Okay, and sum means returns the total sum of a number of columns or else numeric columns. Okay, numeric column. Next,
Max.
yeah, max. Okay. And average. What average will do? Returns the average value. Next, min. Min means it returns the average value. Okay, next, max. Max means returns the largest value. Okay, sorry, actually in the min means it is smallest value ma. Okay, smallest value, and this is largest value. Okay, largest value. Next, so we have the 5 types of functions over there. So what is my question is here, the interviewer will ask you what is aggregate function. Aggregate function, what it will do, this is used to perform the calculation, and you can say this point only, it is enough to more than. It is used to calculate calculations on multiple rows. And how many types of aggregate functions they will ask. They will ask how many types of aggregate functions. We have the 5 aggregate functions, that will be count, sum, max, min, average. Okay, so we will perform a query on this today. Already we have executed the table extras. That table only I will use today. Okay, and go to your SQL 444 folder, and you can use this one. Can I create again?
No need to recreate.
Can I create again? Can I use existing table?
You can use existing one. Use existing.
Already you got how to create a table and all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna,
Madam, existing table use చేద్దాం
existing
మనం
table
పొద్దున్న
use చేద్దామా?
అవును టైం వేస్ట్.
అమ్మయ్య, మీకు వచ్చిందంటే అందరికీ వచ్చినట్టే కృష్ణ. So I'm using this, and now I will use aggregate functions as well here. That will be I'm using first general thing here, select star from table name. What is table name here? That will be college, I think so. It is database or table name? Okay, table name will be employee. Okay, so our data will be like this. And now I'm going to use the aggregate function using count. So here select count. Here I am using star. What is star here? What is star? Guys, please tell me what is star.
To select all the rows.
Yes,
and column.
all the data, all select. ఇక్కడ స్టార్ వచ్చిన ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్ వన్ పాయింట్, దట్ విల్ బి ఆల్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ table name. This table name employee. So what it will do, how many columns and rows, I think how many records is there in our table, that will be count. We will see. So how many records is there in our table? The 5 records is there. Are you getting my points? మన టేబుల్లో ఎన్ని రికార్డ్స్ అయితే ఉన్నాయో ఆ రికార్డ్స్ మాత్రం ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి. యాక్చువల్గా కౌంట్ చేసుకున్నట్టయితే ఇదంతా ఒకటే రికార్డ్ అండి. ఐ మీన్ ఇదన్నీ కూడా 5 రికార్డ్స్. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇదంతా కూడా 5 రికార్డ్స్. మనం ఇలా కౌంట్ చేయం 1 2 3 4 5 6 ఇట్లా కౌంట్ చేయం. వీఆర్ కౌంటింగ్ ద రికార్డ్స్. దిస్ విల్ బి 1 రికార్డ్, దిస్ విల్ బి 1 రికార్డ్, దిస్ విల్ బి 1 రికార్డ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద రికార్డ్ 1, record 2, record 3, record 4 and 5. It will be count like this using count star. Are you getting my point? So I'm going to commenting this. Next, what is our aggregate function next? Sum. Okay, here select sum. Only I'm taking a salary record. Okay, only I'm taking salary record here. So here I'm salary salary I'm taking here from employee. Okay, so salary, what happened here, calculating all the salaries, how much is there. Okay, it will give the sum here. Are you getting my point? ఎంతమంది అయితే శాలరీస్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ శాలరీస్ అన్నీ కూడా సమ్ చేస్తుంది. 72,000, 48, 80, 75, 55 ఇదంతా సమ్ చేసి మనకి ఏం చేస్తుంది, అడిషన్ అనేది ఇస్తుంది మనకి. ఆర్ యూ గెట్టింగ్ మై పాయింట్? సో ఐ విల్ డూ వన్ థింగ్, అనదర్ థింగ్ ఐ విల్ డూ, I will take employee ID here. Okay, I am doing sum here using employee ID. So see here 15. Okay, like that it is sum. So next what we have, average. So I am going to commenting this average, select average salary. I am taking average salary here. Okay, average salary from table name, that will be employee. So what is the average salary? It is 66,000. Okay, the 66,000 will be the average salary it is doing over there. It is adding all, it will taking the average over there. Next, min. It is very easy ma, it is not that much of hard actually, it is very easy. So select min, minimum salary I am doing here. Okay, minimum salary from employees. Okay, execute. So what is the minimum salary in the records, that will be printed here. Okay, next, max. Select max salary. Okay, from table name. What is the table name here? Employee. Okay, so what is the max salary? Means highest salary it will print. Minimum salary and what is the highest salary it will print. Is 5 aggregate function is clear everyone? Is 5 aggregate functions is clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it clear, right?